Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the checkout settings in the Shopify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the store button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button, and then at the store settings section look for the checkout button and click on that. And this section will include the customer contact method, and also you need to set what contact method customers can use to check out when purchasing a product from you. So first you have to set if you want your customers to receive order and shipping notifications via email or phone number. So you have to set if you want your customers to use their full name, to give company name, to give like a second address line, to give a shipping address and phone number. And you can also set if you want the option of tipping, and then you have to set the percentage of these. And in the order processing section, you can also set a few things, like requiring a confirmation step, or use address auto completion, so this will make it easier for the customers. And like after an order has been paid, automatically fulfill the order's line items or not. So these are just additional things in connection with the orders. So this marketing option section can let customers sign up for email or SMS marketing, and you can select if both option or just one can be there. And you can also manage the checkout language, and you can also write some additional scripts to the tracking and the order status. So once you're done with this page, just click on the save button, and then the settings will be saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.